I've been building drones since 2007, and since then I knew that I wanted to create a drone that was waterproof.
We made a waterproof drone with all the sophisticated features that allow you to take beautiful shots and remove the fear of flying over water. The splash drone is rugged, easy to fly, and has autonomous features that make it a blast. We put months into making sure that the features don't add complexity during flight. The splash drone can be flown by anyone, from a phone or the included remote control. Ease of use was at the core of every added feature. We think that you shouldn't have to be an expert to allow your creativity to expand. The idea is to remove the barriers and allow you to lose the fear of flying in different conditions, including flying over water.
What we want to do is a waterproof drone, a splash drone for all people.
We already make a quadcopter that's waterproof, but it doesn't have the features that make it a real drone. So we've added a waterproof camera gimbal, an integrated video transmitter, and a live video feed directly from the GoPro. By displaying location, battery voltage, altitude, and distance right on the remote, you'll always know where the splash drone is and how it's doing. We wanted to make it practical, so we added an emergency flare adapter that allows you to deploy an emergency flare for 15 minutes rather than 15 seconds. Its payload release mechanism is not only fun, but can be used in emergency situations. The splash drone has autonomous functions like follow me mode, plan mission flights, and return to launch location at the flip of a switch. We put a lot of work, time, and energy into the tooling and injection molding process. With your help, we can make the splash drone a reality.